All I know is last night was a movie. Yeah, buddy.
All right, guys, this tour is coming on.
Oh, it's tour time.
All right, you guys ready? Yeah. Come on over. Thank you.
Thanks, bro. We're going in. All right, now going into the shore house itself.
Yeah.
Which I went into years ago, but this will be Reed's first time.
Wow. You're rolling.
I'm rolling.
You have crash landed at the GlobeTrottingGuido channel. Do you want to travel the world? I sure do. Man, this is so ghetto. Why don't I just get a mic like a normal person? Take this journey with me. Are you a gamer? Check out my gaming Check out my gaming website at the right here. We're gonna right here. Here's the gaming website. It's playratedgames.com. Go check it out. Just press everything. We need more traffic. Help me. When I'm not busy traveling the world, I'm gaming. So check me out there. I regularly post articles daily and reviews and all that. And we have a weekly podcast too. Before we continue with the video, smush that like button. Smush that like button. Get it? Because it pertains to the video. Anyway, do it. Do it now. Do it or you can't watch the rest of the video. It's locked. It's exclusive content. Anyway, let's get into it. We're in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. I took him here because it's the iconic Jersey Shore Boardwalk. So it's Reed's first time down the shore.
The clothing's not overly expensive.
And then you got fried Oreos. Like, you do not get more American than that. It's the best pizza in the world. I don't care what you say. I've been to Italy too, and I'm telling you, even that pizza's not as good. I think I went to this store last time, but every year they take down shops and put up new ones.
Yeah.
There was some chick, I think from Romania, that was doing one of these shops. Look at that dog, man. He's had a lot of slices.
Yeah, I want him.
It does go on for a little bit, but this boardwalk is like, it's still a smaller boardwalk overall, you know?
Yeah. You like
You get a cappuccino here too. Funnel cake, pizza,
Yeah.
fried Oreos, just all this shit to make you feel awful about yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the fish. He just flops. He's like the most useless Pokemon. But he also turns into that giant Gyarados or whatever the hell. There's a PS5 in there. Oh my god. Yeah, right. No one wins that shit. They probably take fake pictures together. That looks old school, bro.
One of the hottest things are out there now.
Those look like old backgrounds right there.
Yeah.
A crazy thing. I wouldn't want to go on that, bro. They do that when they design roller coasters. There's like a certain point where it's so much G-force or whatever they call it that it's like you wouldn't survive this. This isn't the first boardwalk I usually go to when I go down the shore, but I wanted to show you this one just because it's like it's a quick walk. It's not a very long boardwalk overall compared to some of them, and there's just a lot of stuff condensed into like one area in Seaside Heights. Yeah. It's all like commercialized, but it's still fun. It's still got that standard, Jersey charm to it. Oh, man. Just that's a slice right there, bro.
Yeah.
Longboards.
The $20 is $20.
beautiful. Now we're going on the beach. Nah, I guess not today. Sometimes they charge you. You gotta get a wristband, but whatever. Here we go. Whoa.
That's crazy how the whole cast is kind of like. I have a feeling.
He's got a feeling. Well, let's see if your feeling is on point with Danny not being there.
Yeah, exactly.
So if Danny's not there, that means you're right about everything else you predict.
I'll pick and choose that part. Definitely you're wearing pants. I'm glad I didn't.
Yeah, I like you better without pants. Yeah. You gotta get some color to those stems.
Yeah, my legs are skinny.
Oh, I got skinny legs too. Some girl said I got turkey legs.
I got you.
Oh no. There's no way around it. Why the f? I don't know if there's actually an exit that way.
And if there's not, then
Fuck, imagine getting stuck up there. How you enjoying the Jersey Shore, Reed?
I like it, except for we can't leave the shore anymore.
Told you this was a one-way trip.
Jumbo's Bar and Grill. Cause you're fat. Imagine they charge you an exit fee to leave the beach. You're just trapped on the beach now. Well, that sucks. Vlogging at the beach. Vlogging at the beach. Flyable's actually started here down the shore in Jersey. Fun fact. I read it on a Snapple cap, so it must be true. We're gonna go on the cheese over these. Entrance is over here. Going on the cheese ride. Just gonna scoop us up. Thank you. You got everything? Up we go. Swag. We at the Jersey Shore at Seaside Heights on the chairlift. And we're taking across.
Those turn the corner so abruptly.
Yeah. The kid, when he's 40, he's gonna be like, watch. Ah, man, my neck's starting to hurt a little bit. This, I forgot how f***ing slow these go. Feetless. Yeah, if you just keep going up, like Bradley Beach, Neptune, Asbury, it's like all way up. This is like an island strip. Pretty sure it's gonna drop us off close to the Danny Shore store. That one looks like a domino.
Yeah.
It's all the stores down the shore. Oh wow, it's taking us way down though. Too bad, now we're stuck. Technical difficulties on the rides now. We're gonna have to rain check. There we go. Over there you can see the rooftop jacuzzi of the Jersey Shore house. There's the Jersey Shore house.
That's so funny.
There's the jacuzzi. We're gonna go inside the shore store now. Hopefully our buddy Danny is in there. He could be in our video. Shore store. Reed at the shore store. Reed and Mikhail at the shore store. Are you sure you want to go to the store? At the shore. At the shore, to the store, at the shore. Cab's here. Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting off.
Just getting off.
Yep.
I thought it was fun. Takes too long. This thing's go like 2 miles an hour.
Yeah, they're slow as.
It's like a turtle with arthritis. It's like a snail on crutches.
Well, that's cool. We can stay over there.
How you doing, man?
How are you?
You getting a pepperoni slice, Reed? Hi there.
What did you say?
Welcome to the Jersey Shore.
Sure, welcome to the Jersey Shore.
Hell.
Shore Slice Pizzeria is the
Yeah.
best around. Thank you, gentlemen.
Take it easy, man. Get a slice. So this is the store from the show.
Kyle. I mean, I doubt. There's no way Mikhail's gonna be on this.
People get so creative with this.
We have them in the to your choice.
Yeah.
We're also doing tours of the house. So you guys want to walk through the house? Yeah, let's do that.
I remember last time, like, I couldn't go on the rooftop for some reason.
You still can't.
You still can't?
So everyone brings the guy that drinks too much, right? So he
course,
spills
of course.
a puddle of beer right there. No one reaches down to clean it.
Yeah.
So it makes every orifice of the house.
Uh,
And you pay $600 to clean,
yeah.
but they don't scrub the floor, so you're still. So I'm on my hands and knees for 3 hours cleaning it.
Yeah.
We're over.
Was it always connected when they were filming, like, season 1 or whatever? Like, connected from the store all the way to the,
yeah,
to the
they
house?
just weren't allowed to come through it.
Yeah,
That's why
because it
they-
always looked like they were going around.
They made them go around just because it made good TV.
Yeah, of course.
You're drinking until 6 in the morning, you know.
Yeah.
Headache.
You want to go
You just
through
wanna
the
walk
back
right through it.
entrance.
Nah, no.
Yeah.
But that's actually the entrance right there. Usually they just kind of...
Yeah, buddy. That's
Yeah,
what building
buddy.
is bonding. Why not?
How many viewers? Oh, I'm new, bro. I got like less than 100 subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, when's the tour start?
Our next one probably begins in about 5 minutes or
Cool,
so.
yeah,
We gotta
yeah.
dip in there right now, so take a look around if you want.
Yeah, it's cool if we just vlog around.
Yeah,
All
of
that
course.
stuff. What's up, Danny? How you doing, man? Bro, I'd love to work here if I lived close enough. I don't know.
I honestly feel like I specifically should get that.
Yeah, you should.
I should specifically. That actually pertains to me.
Yeah.
All right, guys, the tour is coming on.
Oh, it's tour time. We're going in.
Okay. Just when you go upstairs, do not go outside.
Tell you what.
That's funny. That's a big table.
Yeah, it is.
Oh
This is so great.
yeah, here we are.
So I see a table like this.
At my basement.
Did I?
Yeah, in my basement. I got one of those.
Which why? I've never seen it anywhere else.
Uh,
This is crazy, dude.
yeah, it's pretty dope.
This is surreal.
Get in there.
Yeah.
Dude, that beanbag chair has never been washed. I don't know if that's the original one or not.
Is it?
So those two chairs.
Oh, it is?
Those two chairs are the only thing that are not original. MTV
I'm gonna take some screenshots out of it.
Yeah. Oh, another entrance on the side right there. That's what I like about this is like they don't make a huge ordeal out of it. You're just like, hey, you want to come and see the Shore House? $10. Just come on in.
This is such a special moment
There
for
you
this
go.
situation. Hung up his player card, not being engaged, such a wonderful.
What the What do you mean? I said pepperoni. What the
There's like a crack in the door over there. That's dope. That's very sweet.
Super cool. Getting a, I like the angry one you had. I'm gonna get an angry one.
Hey, I think that's like the nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I think
That was too.
yeah. Just so much like so much regret.
This would be awesome, bro.
Touch.
It is much smaller than it seems.
I know,
on
right?
TV.
How many times have they blown up this toilet and puked in here and
It is good. No, I can't. It's actually working.
swag? No, it's dope. I think they said we got 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
I gotta make the most of it. Yeah, it's a maze. Oh yeah, it meets around here. That's cool.
That's crazy.
I know.
The cast was here at some point.
Of course, yeah, for a while, for years.
Yeah.
Hey, Reed. Swag. So cute. We're so cute. So you used to be able to like rent this place out.
Yeah, but then they were trash.
No, I know, but it's funny.
Oh,
because
it's
people
nice
want
and
it.
I am not just because it's like life or that. It's just the fact that like I still trying to like remember the time we were in New York City. No, it was
Thanks, man. Alright, we are going up.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. We're going up the stairs. So where the magic happened. Oh, hey, it's me. I'm on TV. Guest room. Is that the smush pad?
Is it?
That's so f***ing gross. That's gnarly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Oh. I'd smush it.
Yeah, of course.
Let's smush together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I definitely have a disease now.
Hell yeah. We're on the roof of the shore house. Swag. Oh, it's a concession. Here, sit down.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's a concession.
That's so cool.
I know, it's dope.
I always wondered how they did it.
So, what happened today? What do you got to say? What do you got to say for yourself, all your life regrets?
Snookie and I last night, man. What can I say? The meatball.
And that's a nice bathroom.
How much longer do you say we have?
No, it's not that big, bro.
Alright, we got a few more minutes to check everything.
Yeah, they just don't want us going outside. he threw his bed out the window.
Yeah.
Come on, Ronnie.
Shit they put up with in this house.
From the street.
Are these original mattresses?
It's everything in here, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it's all the same stuff. It's the same freaking blankets and shit too.
Gross.
I know. Dude, we just laid in the smush pad where Snookie and all of them have probably all had sex together. I would be honored to take a week. Cat's here.
That's it.
I heard the man.
That's how they remember.
Yeah, that's funny. It's about that time. Sunday dinners.
Yeah, cool.
It's an Italian thing. Later, bro. Take it easy. Oh yeah, that's how you get upstairs, right there. It's cool, right? I know. It kind of breaks the immersion when you realize you can just go. Reed, come back. Nah, you gotta go this way. And yeah, we're back in the store. Blood type is marinara.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, there we go. Cheese, I guess. It's video.
Take it easy. Thanks for everything. That's Danny, owner of the shore store.
That was cool.
That was awesome, right? You have a good time, bro?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We got crazy, we got wild.
I'm sure he does really well there.
I would certainly hope so. Yeah, buddy.
Nice.